In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can generate AI graphics or AI generated graphics using text prompts in Canva using the Canva AI or the Magic Media. So let me show you how to do this step by step in a simple and easy manner. So here you can see that I have this random Canva design right here, and in this design I'm going to add a AI generated graphic. So let me show you how to do this. So the first thing that you need to do is navigate through these tabs. So simply scroll down until you see this option that says Magic Media towards the left hand side of your Canva screen. Now this is the Magic Media using which we generate images, graphics and videos. So all of these are AI generated images, graphics and videos. And since currently we are generating graphics, so we're gonna choose the graphics option from here. Now it says describe what you'd like to create. So you can enter your prompt in 5 or more words, and that prompt will be worked upon in order to create any magic graphic or any AI generated graphic. If you don't have anything in mind or you just want to test it out, you can click onto this inspire me button as well. If you click onto this inspire me button, it will generate a random prompt. Let's see, for example, this says a dinosaur in a tuxedo holding a rose. Or if you want to change this prompt or you don't like it, you can also click onto this inspire again button, and now it says an underwater scene of colorful corals and fish. You can keep on doing this until and unless you want. So now it says woman working on her computer at home. So let's try to generate this one. So once you are done typing in your prompt, you can click onto this generate graphics button. So once you will click onto this generate graphics, you can see this particular bar right here. So this particular bar represents the amount of progress that has been done, and here you can see that it has generated these 4 graphics in order to use in our design. So that's how easily you can generate AI graphics for your Canva design. So that was all for this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, do make sure to drop a like as well. Tell us in the comments if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such helpful and exciting video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.